Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Space. In this latest video, I teach you about the what is CPC advertising and marketing CPC explained for beginners. So, but before start our topic, if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon buttons. Due to this, you will be able to see the latest video on time and get benefit from it. So now we start our topic. First of all, open the Google Chrome and search what is CPC advertising and marketing CPC explained for beginners, and search. You will see the different result that is related to our topics. We can read one by one and get benefit from it. Cost per clicks. CPC is a paid advertising term where advertisers pay a cost to publishers for every click on an ad. CPC is also called pay per click. CPC is used to determine cost of showing user ads on search engines, Google display networks for adverts, social media platforms, and other publishers. What is a CPC in advertising? Cost per clicks definitions. Cost per clicks bidding means that you pay for each clicks on your ads. For CPC bidding campaigns, you set a maximum cost per click and bid are simply max. How do you describe CPC? How do you describe CPC? CPC cost per clicks explains CPC cost per clicks is a matrix that determines how much advertisers pay for the ads they place on websites or social media. Based on the numbers of clicks the ad receives, CPC is important for marketers to consider since it measures the price for a brand's paid advertisers campaign. What is CPC and why it is important? Cost per clicks or CPC is the amount you pay for each click on one of your PPC ads in platforms such as Google Ads or Microsoft Ads. Here, CPC is an important matrix because these clicks and cost add up fast. If your CPC is too high, you would be able to achieve the return as your advertiser invest ROI. So now all these questions related to our topic you can read one by one and get benefit from it. So now our topic is end. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.